Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing 3 after school snacks which I regularly make for my son, which are super quick to make. These are not fancy, not complicated, but definitely not time consuming too. Because honestly, when he comes back from school, by that time I'm still working and I don't have 30-40 minutes time to stand in the kitchen and put together a elaborate meal. And also, he doesn't like to eat the same dal chawal sabji or roti sabji, whatever we eat for lunch. But I still want him to eat something home cooked, fresh, as well as filling with some good protein and veggies. So these are my go-to options. I do a little bit of prep in advance and then I put this together in just few minutes when he comes back home. So let's begin. The first one is leftover roti taco. This is my mom hack recipe. Whenever I get a few minutes free during my lunch time, I quickly chop some bell peppers, paneer and soak some frozen corn in water. Then I just mix everything together in a bowl. Capsicum, paneer, corn with some cheese, salt, mixed herbs and black pepper. I mix them well and keep it in the fridge ready. So now when my son comes back from school, I don't start from scratch. I take a leftover roti, yes, leftover roti. Add the stuffing in one half, fold it like a taco and roast it on hot tawa with just a little bit of oil or butter. Roast both sides nicely until it becomes slightly crisp and the cheese melts. And that's it. In just 2 to 3 minutes, a delicious after school snack is ready. I told my son this as a taco, and I know it is not an authentic taco, but honestly, who cares? My son happily eats that same roti, paneer, and veggies without any complaint. In fact, he loves this so much that if I don't make it for 2 to 3 days continuously, he asks, "Why didn't you make my taco?" So that's definitely a win for me. The second recipe is a cheese and veggie uttapam. What we call at home is pizza uttapam. Again, I do a little prep in advance. I chop some capsicum, paneer, and grate a carrot. As a part of my weekly meal prep, I always keep some idli or dosa batter ready. Sometimes regular batter, sometimes millet based batter. And the best part, this works with any batter. When I'm ready to make it, I take some batter and mix the grated carrot, some chopped coriander. In another bowl, I mix paneer, capsicum, corn, cheese, salt, some pizza seasoning, chili flakes or pepper powder. Now on a greased hot tawa, I pour one ladle of batter to make a thick uttapam. Let it cook, then flip it and then add the paneer capsicum cheese mixture on top. Cover and cook until the cheese melts beautifully. Serve it with chutney or even ketchup. This is another absolute favorite. And honestly, even when I make it with millet batter, he loves it because Let's be real. Children love anything that has a little bit of cheese. But as moms, we know we have added vegetables, protein, and even millets sometimes. So everyone is happy here. And now the third recipe, our all-time favorite. That's paneer roll. This one needs a little advanced prep, but it saves so much time later. Either early in the morning or the previous night, I cube some paneer, capsicum and onion. For the marinade, I take some hung curd with ginger garlic paste, roasted besan, turmeric, red chili powder, salt, cumin powder, coriander powder, some homemade garam masala, a little bit of mustard oil and kasuri methi. Mix everything nicely and add the paneer and veggies. Marinate and keep it in the fridge. Then when it is snack time, I just roast this mixture on a pan with a little bit of oil. It cooks very quickly. As a part of meal prep, I always keep some green chutney ready in the fridge. On a pan, you can cook this paneer in 3 to 4 minutes, but if you have time, you can cook them in the oven also, which will take around 10 minutes. Now take a roti, the normal roti, add the paneer mixture, spread some green chutney. You can also add some ketchup, mayo or even seasoned hung curd. Roll it up and it's ready. It's filling, high in protein and completely homemade. And again, zero complaints from my son. So these are the after school snacks I make regularly. They help me save time and manage my office and home, and most importantly my son loves them. We always don't need complicated recipes. I believe we need some planning and just little bit of prepping so that we can manage everything together. If you like these ideas, do let me know which one you will be trying first. Also, if you like these ideas and you want more recipes like this, please do like, share and subscribe. I shall see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye and thank you for watching.